Hola amigos y amigas, I'm Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and I'm super excited to jump back into things with Soultanicals. I recently acquired an incredible Soultanicals haul, and you can view that here. And last video, I did a deep conditioning treatment also with Soultanicals, which you can view here, which I am freshly off, and I'm ready to style my hair. I'm going to be using 2 more products from that haul to style my hair with, and they are the Curl Supreme Conditioning Dream and the Fro'zen Drip and Grip Super Hold Gel. I like to use the lock method, meaning that I go in with a leave-in, followed by an oil, followed by a cream, and then I add my styler. And I'm wearing the most awkward thing you could wear, which is a leather jacket, but it looked good and it's colorful for a beautiful, colorful brand. So I'm just gonna suck it up for the look. So we're starting out with the leave-in, which is the Curl Supreme Conditioning Dream. Oh my god, this smells so amazing. It's like Starburst candy. Oh my god, this is so incredible. It's like candy fruit, fruity candy. Oh, and the slip is amazing. Ah, dripped some. I'm super excited. I'm gonna flip over and apply and I'll be right back. Wow, it feels so good. Holy shit. Feels amazing. The scent is absolutely incredible and it feels really good. I was tempted to add some more, but I don't want to go in with too much because when I refresh my hair on the days following wash day, I tend to wet my hair with my water and aloe vera juice mix and go back in with the lock method and styler if need be. So I don't need to go too overboard on wash day. I already applied my jojoba oil, which is the oil I'm using today, and I'm using the Fluffalicious Curl Nutritious, also by Soultanicals, as the cream in the lock method equation. I don't know if any of the leave-ins I got in my haul would qualify as a cream, so I'm just playing it safe and going with what I know just to give the products that I'm using in this video and testing out a more fair chance. So there's only 2 products in this video review, and the next product in the lineup is the Fro'zen Drip and Grip Super Hold Gel, which we're gonna jump into right now. Oh, this is another one that smells amazing. I love the ones that smell like candy and fruity. They get me so excited. Look at the texture. But it has a nice stickiness. I mean, it's supposed to be a super hold gel, so I'm not gonna take too much. Ooh. It's not super slippy because it's very tacky. Just gonna add a little more so that I have a thick coating in my hands to work through my hair. And I'm gonna flip over and I'll be right back. I'm actually excited with how this feels. I mean, it just feels like a strong, robust gel that means business, and it feels so good on the hair. Now that I have it on my hair mixed in with my lock method moisture base, it feels, I don't know, it just feels like it's gliding on and my hair feels really happy. Time to diffuse, and the verdict is I am so floored by this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I wish you could touch my hair. The hold is incredible, and yet, in spite of the fact that the hair has hold, I did scrunch out the crunch in some little areas, not all over, it wasn't really needed, but I also really diffuse my hair till the crunch is gone if there is crunch in product. It took very little scrunching, and my hair is just soft. So you feel that hold in the product, but it is so soft, like unexpectedly soft, that I just keep wanting to touch my hair. And especially back here where my hair is natural, it's even softer still, and it's blowing my mind. Oh my god, I smell like the fruitiest cocktail ever. You guys should make some product called Fruity Cocktail Fro. Cause I mean, I wish I had a fro so I could call this a fro, but I have a fruity cocktail head of hair right now and it feels so amazing. Oh my god, total win. And this is for wash day. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, I forget what I normally do. I guess I turn around. I'm gonna turn around and show you the full look. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's so amazing. I just want to say, look at my hair. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I wish you could touch it. It just feels so magical. This was a total win. And so I'm going to be continuing with this wash cycle and see how it does. I can imagine this lasting me a long time. Like I could probably take this to day 6 or day 7. That's my prediction. Long ass wash cycle. So here we are on wash day. Let's see how far I can stretch this out, how it holds, how it feels, how it does for my full wash cycle, and how long it lasts. And the verdict is, and this is day 5, and I am ecstatic. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. I don't know where to begin. Of course, thank you. I I love the way it's been going so far. So let me delve in because it gets a little complicated, not too complicated. The very basic gist is I was overhanded with the Fro'zen Drip and Grip Super Hold Gel because it feels so good and it smells so amazing. I'm obsessed. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so citrusy and amazing. I'm obsessed with the scent of this gel and it feels so good, and a little goes a long way. And I honestly did not need to use anything more than what I used on wash day, but this is where I complicated things. When I refresh, I wet my hair with my water and aloe vera juice mix and I go back in with my lock method, and if needed, my styler. Depends on what products I'm using, what product combo, what styler. In this particular case, I didn't need to go back in with the gel, but I did because it just felt so good and it smelled so good. So I overdid it, and by the time yesterday, day 4 came around, my hair was just feeling very weighed down and very producty. And today too, I didn't have time to wash my hair today, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try out the Soultanicals co-wash that I bought, the Hair to the Rescue Afrovetic Knot Goo. It's not an official part of this video, so it's gonna probably be making an appearance as in stealth mode in a few videos while I really test it out that way over time, and then it'll have its own video dedicated to it. But so far, I enjoyed the experience, and I want to wash my hair officially tomorrow. I post my videos way after I film them, and today is New Year's Eve, which is why I just didn't have time to wash my hair today. And even if I wanted to wash my hair today, I should have done this filming of how long my video went for and my wash cycle went for last night, and I didn't do it last night. My schedule didn't allow. So since I'm having makeup on anyway tonight, I'm filming tonight so I can wash my hair tomorrow. The logistics of filming. I could have had this wash cycle last longer, and I could still have this wash cycle last longer. I just am dying to have a proper whole shower routine, and tomorrow's where I can fit it into my schedule, so that's why it's happening tomorrow. Otherwise, I could probably get another 3-4 days out of this. And the co-washing felt amazing. My hair feels like it's back to day 1. Reset, fabulous. Let me turn around because it looks incredible. And it feels incredible. It feels so soft to the touch, but I can feel the hold. This gel does have some crunch, but it's so easy to scrunch out. And then if you don't overdo it, you won't have a crunchy looking situation happening. And I overdid it and it didn't look crunchy. It just felt stiffer than it does now. But then I co-washed and it feels incredible. After co-washing, I did go back in with the whole regimen that you saw me do in this video. And so if I was to keep this for a few more days, on my refresh days, I would not go back in with the gel because I really didn't need it. And the Curl Supreme Conditioning Dream, I love it, and I love the scent. I am obsessed with the scent of these two products. They are both so fruity. They smell like candy. This really smells like candy. Oh my god. And I love it. I love the fruity scents. Oh, it's so my thing. And that's it. I am in love with these two products. They are definitely being added to the arsenal. I can't get enough. And I'm thankful that this isn't like a product comparison. Well, how do I feel between this and the other leave-ins I've tried from the brand? Because I love them all. They have different qualities. If I might like the slip-on one, but the scent in the other, but all around, they work amazingly well with my hair. And that's the thing that's been astounding so far with everything I've tried from Soultanicals. My hair is super high porosity bleach blonde, and the only thing is that the 2 masks that I've tried, and I have videos on those, you can find them in the playlist, haven't been 100%. Not because they're not good, but because of the level of high porosityness, the high porosity factor of my hair. It's crazy shot as far as its cuticles go. So that's why it's on my hair, but I really think those products do well with all porosities that are a little healthier than mine. And aside from that, everything I've tried has been incredible. The adventure continues with Soultanicals. Let me know, have you tried these two products? What are your favorites? Let's talk Soultanicals. I am obsessed. And if you haven't tried Soultanicals, a good way to like dip your toes into the brand is you can get some at Walmart, Target, Sally Beauty, and I believe they also have different like smaller retailers, well, smaller, CVS, blah, blah, blah. But look it up on their website to see what's available near you or whether you're going to be ordering online. Online, the easiest places to order Target and Sally Beauty to dip your toes into the brand to see if you like it. If you don't, you can do an easy return. Chances are you're going to love it. And then for more, you can delve into their website and access the full range of products and sign up to receive newsletter blasts from them, because they will alert you to when the products are on sale at either other retailers or on their website, and it's absolutely worth it. I got a whole bunch of products from them directly from their website on their Black Friday sale. 18 products, and you can view the video of my haul here and have an idea of what's going to be coming up on my channel. I will be trying other brands and trying to mix it up a little, but it's going to be a lot of Soultanicals coming your way. And that's it for these two products and the special guest, Hair to the Rescue Afrovedic Nut Glue. More on this coming soon. And that's it. I could go on and on. I am so happy. It's amazing that I'm having a good hair day, especially tonight. Not that I'm going anywhere. Our girl's gonna be taking her New Year's Eve selfie and my hair is on point. Thank you, Soultanicals. I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more, and see you in my next one. Ciao for now.